Hi everyone! Renate here from Crafty Renate. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you, or should I say an unwrapping video, because they're mostly envelopes. I have here 14 little packages from the website Wish. Because it was my first time ordering on Wish, I decided to go for things that were really cheap, really inexpensive. So everything in here was between €1 and €3. So most things were €1. I think two things were €2 and one thing was €3. So very inexpensive. I'm just very curious to see what everything looks like, what the quality is like for that price. I'm really excited. I might have my expectations maybe a little high, which, yeah, I could be disappointed, but we'll see. I have been waiting for this moment. Oh, I was like, what the hell? Oh, it's so nice. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging because with the studio lighting, oh, it's so much nicer than I was expecting. Oh, cool. I love it. Oh my gosh. So it's a keychain and it has some tools on here. Isn't that so cute? Look at that. I love it. That is really nice. It's actually nicer than I was expecting. So this is obviously for my dad. This is just perfect for him. Aw, he's gonna like that, I think. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're so tiny. I love that. Oh, I love that they're so tiny. Okay, sorry. I gotta show you. Look at this. These are fimo fruit slices and they go on your nails, but you can do other things with them too. So I'm gonna probably be crafting with them too, but of course I'm also gonna use them on my nails. Look at that. They're so cool. Oh my gosh, I was expecting them to be a little bigger, but I actually really love how tiny they are because then I can fit more on a nail. Yes! So 2,000 of these fruit slices. You're probably gonna see my nails full of fruit slices from now on. Yes, very cool. I love that. I'm loving Wish already. Okay, if every package is this good, then oh, can't all be this good, can it? Oh, I hope it is, but you know. Oh, yes. Okay, this might not be super exciting to look at, but I wanted some of these. These are necklaces, just the chains. Let me take it out. Ooh, they're nice. They're quite heavy. They look like really good quality. Wow, look at that. I am so impressed. Yes, I needed more necklaces to put things on. Oh, so nice. Look at that. And look at the clasps. They just look... Seriously, if you buy something like this here, you're gonna spend a lot of money, so... I think these are earrings. Yes! Oh! Look! Oh my gosh! Yes! These are much nicer than in the picture, actually. In the picture, I was like, they're fun, but I'm not sure. And they actually look better in person. Oh, they're so cool! Oh my god! Look! You guys know I'm very creative, right? So these are little paint palettes with a paintbrush. How cute is that? And they feel quite heavy too. They do not feel flimsy at all. These feel like good quality. Oh, they're so cute. Yes. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm just getting more and more excited now because everything is so good. I was not expecting that. Like the prices, that's insane. How? Oh. Okay, calm yourself. There, it's in a cute little baggie too. I mean, this baggie is almost as expensive as, you know, what I paid for it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Look at this. They're also earrings and they're little bunnies with carrots. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Adorable. They are so cute. Oh my goodness. Yes, more earrings. Bunnies and carrots. I mean, they're awesome. I'm getting all of the earrings in one go. I think these are the last pairs of earrings. They're so cute. I was way too excited about these. You're gonna probably think I'm really silly when you see what they are, but I was actually super excited about these, and I'm not disappointed. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be wearing these so much. Look at this. They're cups of coffee. They're cups of coffee. Look. Oh my God. Look at that. They are awesome. They're perfect. And they're so tiny. I love them. Okay. Whew. I need to stay calm. No, excitement is good. Oh, yes. Oh, these are nice. Oh, they're so heavy. I got a bunch of these beautiful silver charms. They're stars. Let me get one out and feel them separately. Ooh, they're nice. Look. They're just charms for jewelry making. So look at that. The quality of these is honestly incredible. I was not expecting that. I was expecting certain things to feel really lightweight and, you know, cheap. But everything is really heavy and everything looks like it's finished really nicely. Again, if you were to buy things like that here, you would spend a lot of money. It's in one piece. Oh, I think. Oh, let me show you. Wait. Oh my God. This I was very, very nervous about breaking. It looks beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my God. Look at that. Look. This is a bookmark, believe it or not. So one part goes into your book and the other goes on the outside of your book. And it's the rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Isn't that so cute? And this is so delicate, this leaf. It's amazing. Oh, it's perfect. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Does this not look like something super expensive? it looks like something super expensive, okay? And it really wasn't. This is so pretty. Oh, I am so impressed. I thought I didn't have any more earrings, but I do. Oh, something fell off. Oh, that's okay. I can fix that. Let me first show you. This is also from Alice in Wonderland. So it's just the little ball. This little ball fell off here, but that's not a problem. I can glue that back on, but look at the actual earrings. Look how pretty that is. That is so unusual. I've never seen anything like it. I love it. Again, quite heavy. It is definitely metal. I mean, look at the back. See? It's metal, so it's not like plastic or anything. It's actual decent materials. Yes, me and earrings, I can never get enough earrings. And also, these earrings are things that not a lot of people are gonna have, you know? Because it's not like they sell them at a local store or anything like that. Oh, they're the carrots! Oh, so cute! Look! They're carrots with little bunnies on them. How adorable is that? And they're these fine little pens. So cute! Yes, I love cute pens like these. And they work. I think these are pens too, by the feel of it. But they're not for me. Oh my god, they're so funny. Okay, these do look a little cheap and feel cheap. Definitely not the quality as everything else. However, quite cute. Look at these pens. They're tools. I just want to give them to my sister and her boyfriend and my dad. Oh, they're also magnets? I didn't know that. Hey, wait. So these two look like they have little magnets on them. And where is the magnet here? Oh, it fell out. Look. Oh, but that's okay. Nobody's gonna use them as magnets anyway. But look how funny these are. A big thing and a small thing. It's the tape. It's the tape. This is a floral tape. It's almost like washi tape, but it's individual flowers. If I saw that correctly, you can, oh, ooh. Oh, some already came off, look. See? They're flowers, and you can leave them like this, for example, if you want to do a border, but you can also separate them. And then you have, oh, they're pretty. And then you have individual flowers. Look, see that? Those are really pretty. Oh, I like that. I like that very much. It feels like a very delicate paper, almost like tissue paper or napkins or something. Very nice for card making or for decorating gifts or, you know, for a lot of things really. I like this. Very nice. Craft supplies are expensive and I've never seen anything like that before. So, quite nice. Yes, more charms for jewelry making. Let me take one out. Again, they feel pretty heavy. They're nice, they're big. Oh yeah, they feel like good quality. Oh, I like it. It's a heart and an infinity loop. very nice. Super happy with that. I actually thought they were gonna be a little smaller, but bigger is always good. The last thing is a box, and I know what's in here because obviously it's the last product. And this is glass. So I'm glad they put it in a box and not in an envelope, but I am still a little bit nervous about whether they arrived in one piece. Oh, they wrapped it real good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's a relief. Okay, because you know glass, and it came from, where did it come from? I can't read that. I can't read that. Wow. They did wrap it real good. Oh, and they wrapped it again. Oh, they did their best. I appreciate that, you know. Oh, they all survived. You can't really tell, can you, what this is? Let me just open it. Oh, and they even wrapped it some more in here. That's really, really good. Oh, there's another bag in here. Okay. I found the way in. Oh, they're perfect. Okay, so there are these little glass balls. You can put something in here, you know, whatever you want to put in here. And then you put a little cap on top of it. You can glue a cap onto it then, and then you can turn it into a necklace or earrings or, you know, whatever. You put this little cap on top and then you glue it on. See that? It's so beautiful. So I have a bunch of these that I ordered. There are different sizes in here. So you have smaller ones and bigger ones. See, this one's a little bigger than this one. I think you have 3 different sizes in here, which is always nice. So you can put all sorts of things in here. And I have a lot of fun ideas. Actually, even these would look fun in these. I mean, I actually looked into buying some of these here. They were so expensive, so expensive. So I was really happy to find these on Wish. I paid so much less, so that's really good to know. And yeah, I look forward to using these. You can do so many things with them. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little random, but like I said, I really love watching these types of videos, and I do love unboxing things on camera myself. I'll see you soon with my next video, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.